Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm outside the pet shop here in the Old Town, where of course generally the parrot sits outside, but he's not outside today. Look at these! Couldn't you just take them home? Oh, they're just adorable. Oh my god, I want one. Look at the little green one cuddling.
And on the body, and you're taking it up. She can be an escape artist. The other one, more body, put it
I don't know where the parrot is today.
You turn round and you she'd be like,
There's another one just appeared. I want. Look at this little green one.
oh yeah, that'd be good, that. That'd be perfect.
Just adorable. Look at the little white one. I want. Oh, has he been bullied, the little green one? Look at his chest. Do you think one of these have been picking on him? Look. Oh, look. Oh, stop picking on him. Is he picking on him? Yes. Oh, stop picking on him. I want that little green one because I would like look after him. What gets me is they're not like put back in the cages, they're just loose. So they can just have a fly about the shop. I can hear some of the little birds. This poor little green one though, he is just so cute. I would look after you, little green one. Let your feathers grow back. So hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe guys. That way you'll get notified when I upload more great content.
Ahora está prohibido. Antes estaba todo lleno de perros. Aquí compró americano y no lo que tenía.